Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 2 from Weda GIS. GIS definition. GIS or Geographic Information System, GIS or ArcGIS, that designed by Israeli company is a software which has the ability to manage, edit and correct, draw the details of layers, also analyze and visible geographic information to report graphs and maps. In this definition, what is the main goal of manage, edit and correct? We manage our data in our catalog and then we are going to digitizing our data in ArcMap. Also, what is the main goal of analysis? The main goal of analysis is this, like we create a population map. First of all, we count the number of population in a city or a country. Then we divide the number of population into male and female population or urban and rural population. Functions of ArcGIS. The functions of ArcGIS is management, edit, analyze, and visualization. At first, we manage our data in our catalog, then we edit, analyze, and visualize our data in ArcMap. Important elements of ArcGIS. The important elements of ArcGIS are people who work and use GIS. Hardware like computer, GPS, printer, scanner, camera, and others. Softwares like ArcGIS software, QGIS software, and other softwares that use for creating of a map. Data is an important element for ArcGIS. Here we have hill sheet and evaluation data. We have two kinds of data in ArcGIS: raster data and vector data. Okay, the last one is method. Methods is the way or process that we use to how create a map. People, hardware, software, data, and method are correlative of each other. In the absence of one of these elements, we are not able to work and make what we want. Components of ArcGIS. The components of ArcGIS are ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcGlobe, ArcScene, and ArcRadar. ArcMap is a part of GIS. Its main function is to correction, analyze, and visualization of data. In terms of task, ArcMap divided into two parts: data view and layout view. I go to ArcMap page. This is ArcMap. Now I'm in data view. I have a project which is Asia trade map. I add some layers in my map like capitals, province or state centers, airports, ship and land ports, main roads, international boundaries, main rivers, railways, also I have the shapefile of countries like Laos, Mongolia, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and all the countries that exist in Asia continent. And in the end, I have natural earth, which is a raster data. Okay, it was our data view. Now we are going to go to layout view. In layout view, we see our map, and printing view. Also we have in view, data view and layout view. We will discuss when we start our work in ArcMap. Okay, the next one. Arc catalog is another part of GIS. Its function is to manage geographic data. Arc catalog, also known as heart of GIS. As we said before, we manage our data first in Arc catalog. Then we edit, analyze, and visualize our data in ArcMap. This is Arc catalog. Arc globe is also a part of GIS. Its function is to find location, visualization of shape, check and control of drawing details. I go to Arc globe. I add here natural earth. I can see the shape of my map, the location, and its visualization. Okay, the next one is ArcScene. Is a part of GIS and used for showing 3D modeling, maps and projects. I go to ArcScene. This is ArcScene page. I also add here natural earth raster data, and I can see it in 3D model. ArcRadar is also part of GIS and only used for printing and studying of a map. ArcGIS does not install with this for more components. It just use in online or in online way. Data is a specific information about geographic phenomena. Several data have been collected or gathered together and make an information. So many information make a knowledge. Information production source. We can provide or create our data by satellite image, aerial photos, GPS, digital scanners or scanned maps. Kinds of data in ArcGIS. There are two kinds of data in ArcGIS: raster data and vector data. Raster data composed from pixels like aerial photos, satellite images, and digital scan maps. I go to once again in ArcMap. I add a raster data. Okay, I find a raster data in here. I zoom it to layer. This is Kabul City 22 district raster data and it's made from pixels. We said we have two kinds of data, raster data and vector data. This is a georeferencing satellite image as you see in here. Okay. This is Kabul University. By full zooming, we are able to see the pixels like these squares and polygons. Okay. Vector data. Vector data, all kinds of data which has coordinate system and XY data like latitude and longitude is called vector data. Okay, it was our lesson number 2. I hope you learned something from this lesson, and do not to forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thanks for watching.